What if I told you that you don't need to earn six figures to build wealth? You just need to make a few smart shifts in your daily money habits. Here's a surprising fact. Over 60% of self-made millionaires built their wealth by simply optimizing tiny financial decisions over time. Not by winning the lottery, not by launching the next unicorn startup, just smart routines. In this video, we're diving into 10 tiny yet powerful financial shifts that could literally 10x your net worth over time. By the end, you'll not only learn what to do, but why it works, how to apply it, and how each shift could radically change your future. Number 1. Rename your savings accounts with emotional goals. Here's something most banks don't tell you. Your brain responds emotionally to labels. Imagine two accounts. One says savings. The other says Freedom Fund, Bali 2027. Where are you more likely to put your money? Behavioral studies show that when you name your accounts with emotional goals, you increase your savings consistency by over 48%. It turns a boring number into a mission. Rename your accounts. Call them what they mean to you. First home, leave my 9-to-5 fund, dream camera. Make your future feel real now. Your financial habits are driven by emotion more than logic. Use that emotion to drive behavior. Naming your goals creates a system of emotional connection. Number 2. Treat saving like a bill. Auto-debit your future. Imagine if you treated saving like a non-negotiable monthly bill, just like your rent or utilities. By setting up an automatic debit to transfer a portion of your income into savings each month, you prioritize your financial security and long-term goals. Many people overlook the power of consistent saving. They might splurge on immediate desires, neglecting to secure their financial future. This common mistake leads to living paycheck to paycheck or facing unexpected financial hardships. When saving isn't treated as a priority, it's easy to miss out on opportunities to build wealth and achieve financial independence. To avoid this trap, automate your savings. Treat it as a mandatory expense that you pay to yourself each month. Start small if necessary, but make it consistent. Number 3. Spend on ROI, not just emotion. Ask this before every purchase. What's the return on this? Every swipe of your card is a vote for your future or your fleeting emotions. The problem? Most people are voting for temporary happiness, not long-term value. We're taught to treat spending like a reward system. I had a tough week. I deserve this. But what if you flip that thinking? What if every dollar you spent was judged by return on investment, not impulse? Had $500 on a new iPhone upgrade could have been a course, a tool, or a side hustle starter kit. Something that grows your income instead of shrinking it. The rich don't buy luxury, they invest in the vehicle that brings luxury. That's a wake-up call. Overspending on wants delays your wealth. Let's be honest. How often do we buy things we feel like in the moment and later regret? That gym membership you never used. That designer outfit worn once. So next time you're tempted to splurge, remember, the smartest flex is growing your net worth, not your wardrobe. Number 4. Review all expenses weekly, not monthly. Reviewing your expenses monthly is like trying to lose weight by stepping on the scale once a month. It's too late to fix the damage. Small leaks sink big ships, and weekly reviews catch those leaks before they turn into floods. You'll spot those sneaky subscriptions, impulse Amazon buys, or overpriced lattes piling up. People wait until the month ends, when the paycheck's already drained and the regrets kick in. That's financial autopilot. Weekly reviews give you time to adjust in real time. Set a 15-minute money meeting with yourself every Sunday. You review your week and find you spent $80 on food delivery without even realizing. That's $320 per month. You forgot about a $15 subscription that renews every Friday. Spot it weekly and cancel fast. Monthly, you lose $180 per year. Cancel what you don't need. Cap overspending early and reallocate funds to savings or investments before it's too late. Number 5. Double down on income skills, not job titles. Most people obsess over job titles like it's a badge of success. I'm a manager now, but titles don't build net worth. Skills do. A title looks good on LinkedIn, but skills pay your rent, build your brand, and scale your income. In So Good They Can't Ignore You, Cal Newport says, skills trump passion in the quest for work you love and wealth you deserve. Focus on skills that make you money across any job, like negotiation, copywriting, coding, marketing, sales, or storytelling. Jessica, a receptionist earning $38K per year. She started learning UX design at night, just 30 minutes a day. Within 10 months, she landed a junior role making $72K. 2 years later, she's a freelance designer earning 6 figures. No degree upgrade, just skill stacking. So don't wait for a title to define your worth. Build skills that rewrite your paycheck. Number 6. Invest first, understand later. The most dangerous lie we tell ourselves? I'll start investing once I fully understand the market. In the book The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel says, doing well with money has a little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. Too many people wait until they understand everything before investing. But here's the trick. Start small. Learn as you go. Invest $10 in an ETF. Watch it move. Read about it. Then invest more. Action creates emotional ownership. You learn faster because you're involved. People who begin investing in their 20s have twice the net worth of those who start in their 30s. Start with small, low-risk investments today. Don't wait for perfection. You didn't learn to ride a bike by reading. You wobbled, fell, got back up. Same with wealth. Number 7. Build a 30-day no-spend challenge habit. Not forever, just 30 days. No shopping, no takeout, no extras. Every dollar you don't spend, you track. At the end, invest it. This isn't deprivation. It's awareness training. Most people discover they spend $300 to $500 a month on mindless stuff. They don't have a money problem. They have a mindless spending problem. Swiping that card for weekend retail therapy or late-night online hauls feels harmless until you check your bank balance and it's whispering, "We need to talk." Once a quarter, do a 30-day no-spend challenge. Watch how your mindset resets. Financial detox is equal to mental clarity. People report less stress, more control, and more savings. This no-spend challenge isn't just a money-saving trick. It's a mental reset. It's you finally telling your habits, "I'm the boss here." Before starting, list your essentials, groceries, rent, bills. For everything else, freeze it. No dining out, no new clothes, no impulse Amazon scrolls. Number 8. Build your circle with financially smart people. A Yale study found that having just one financially responsible friend increases your chances of saving by over 27%. This one is the real multiplier. If your 5 closest friends joke about being broke, guess what? You'll subconsciously normalize it. But if you surround yourself with people who talk investments, freedom, goals, you evolve. Audit your circle. Follow creators who share wealth wisdom. Join online communities. Talk money smartly. Environment beats willpower. Always. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Each one is a tiny gear. Alone, it moves slow. But together, they form a powerful machine that can 10x your net worth, one habit at a time. Pick just 2 today. Start small, start now. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.